Looking for a way to reduce costly car repairs or make your project car a little less expensive? Not a mechanic? Tell us what used car or truck parts you need and we'll remove them for you. At Town & Country Auto Parts, with new used auto parts and vehicles arriving weekly, we offer Central Ohio a huge selection of used auto parts. Since 1985, we've been acquiring unwanted cars and trucks for our salvage yard. Our salvage yard covers 40 acres and contains over 3,000 vehicles that can be harvested for quality parts. From engines, transmissions, to drivetrains and body parts. We have used parts for a huge variety of makes and models. Many of our vehicles are sourced from insurance company auctions, providing us with a vast stock of salvage vehicles that contain a wealth of parts with minimal wear. We're open and are taking necessary precautions to ensure that our customers, employees, and vendors are safe. Please call before coming to our location. Thank you for the support.